Hi friends, we just got here to the Cliff House Inn and I'm just going to give you a tour of the room. It has been raining all morning and it's cold for us. So the door's open, they're getting the rest of the stuff and you can see it's really windy. We are in room 12, it's on the second floor. The lobby is down there to the left. You can see the swimming pool over here and it's just been raining all morning, but it's still really beautiful to be by the water. And we did this on purpose to go from Santa Barbara to here for one night before we go back home to Arizona. Although it's been raining all morning and it's been cold and wet for us, it's just, we love it. We're just grateful to be here and you can kind of see how this place is made. It is obviously older and we just have one of the best views, one of the best rooms with a great view. Sorry for the mess, but we just threw everything down and you can see as soon as you walk in, that is the view that you have. That is Rincon Island. I think that's how you say it. And the hotel in Santa Barbara gave us a bottle of wine, so we just brought it with us. And here you can see a little dinette for two people. We have the mini fridge, of course the TV that looks like a maybe 50 or 42 inch drawers. You can see here's the door and it does have the regular lock like that. Okay, and some closet space there, which is where I'm putting my suitcase. Got the heater, and over there around the corner you can see there's stuff. Just so excited. Okay, here's the view because this is the pièce de résistance, and so the pool is open. They're doing some renovations, as you can see from the tape there, but we think it's supposed to rain all through tomorrow morning, which is when we're gonna check out. But oh well, we were hoping to just sit here and relax and watch the views, hear the water, lull us to sleep hopefully. And here's more of a view. The Shoals restaurant is right down there, and then that's the Rincon Island. Okay, so you can see all the clouds and the palm trees. Here's the bed. So this is a king size bed in a queen size bedroom. So there's a room over here to the right, which I'll show you later. Let's test the bed. Oh, nice and comfy. Feels very warm for a cold day. Got the sconces there, and here are this is the decor. You can see the fan there. Okay, let's move on over here to this section. So this is a great space for 4 people. I would say definitely need to update some things, but good enough for us. Okay, so here's this area here. Again, don't mind our stuff. Let's see what this would look like if our stuff wasn't on there. So that's what you're presented with when you first come into the room. You have the sink out here and the bathroom is to the right. They do have an ice machine and a Coke machine downstairs, and the restaurant next door is one of those kind of fancy schmancy ones, so you know, like $20 per plate. All right, so then this second bedroom actually has a door, so you have some privacy here, or privacy, and some more desk drawers here. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, your typical. Now the view here is just of the roof of the restaurant, so may want to keep that shut there. And then this here is a view of the parking lot, but it is surrounded by lots of foliage. So this is the queen size bed. You can see the decor here. Okay, good bed, right? And you have some more doors there, another closet with a luggage rack, and that's what the room looks like from this way. So lots of space. Here we're back to where the bathroom area is. So it's a separate door for a little vanity here and mirror. There are some shelves up there. Here is the tile, and then this happens to be a jacuzzi tub because here you have some directions on jacuzzi on off, buttons located on the right of the tub. Okay, yeah, here are the buttons they're talking about. Oh, so I might just do a jacuzzi tonight. Okay, here is the bathtub. Okay, and then you have all the shampoo and what is that, shower gel there. Okay. And then this is what the bathroom looks like from here. Of course, the toilet's just right there to the right. Okay. Coming out from the bathroom and the room, that is the view. It's just beautiful. Love it. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this hotel and our room. Hope you are having a great winter holiday and a happy new year to all of you, and all the best to us for 2022. Bye.